Hello children, I hope all of you all are doing well. Today we will be doing the second chapter, Our Environment. The test skills are the four spheres: pollution and conservation of the environment, global warming, natural disasters. The first question: unscramble the given option and select the one that is not a cause for soil pollution. And there are four options, and the correct option is B. Upon scrambling options A, B, C, and D, we get garbage, firecracker, fertilizers, and pesticides, respectively. Firecrackers causes air pollution. Second, select the option that arranges the major gases in the air, decreasing order of their percentage. There are four options A, B, and C: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen. And the correct answer is C. That is nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Air is a mixture of various gases. It contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 0.04% carbon dioxide. Number 3. Which of the following is not a consequence of global warming? A. Melting of polar ice caps. B. Change of weather patterns all over the world. C. Increase in population. D. More droughts. And the correct answer is C. Increase in population. Number 4. Dash leads to pollution of water. A. Throwing untreated industrial waste into water bodies. B. Reducing the use of fossil fuel. C. Carbon dioxide released during respiration by animals. D. Avoiding cleaning of animals in water bodies. And the correct option is A. Industrial wastes are rich in chemicals, etc. When they are thrown into water bodies without proper treatment, these chemical mixes in the water body and decreases water quality. It leads to water pollution. Number 5. Which of the following will help to reduce air pollution? A. Using CNG vehicles rather than petrol diesel vehicles. B. Getting vehicles checked for pollution regularly. C. Using public transport instead of private vehicles. D. All of these. And the answer is D. All of these. Number 6. Dash includes all water bodies. A. Atmosphere. B. Lithosphere. C. Hydrosphere. D. Biosphere. And the answer is C. Hydrosphere is total amount of water present on Earth. It includes all water bodies found on Earth. Number 7. The layer of the Earth just below the crust is known as A. Inner core. B. Outer core. C. Mantle. D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is C. The outermost layer of the Earth is known as the crust. Below the crust we have few more layers, that is mantle, outer core, and inner core. Mantle is present just below the crust. Number 8. Study the given relationship and fill in the blank with the correct option. Drought, little or no rain, dash excess rain. A. Volcanic eruption. B. Deforestation. C. Earthquake. D. Flood. And the correct answer is Flood. Flood occurs when the amount of water in the water body like river exceeds the carrying capacity. It is common during the monsoon season when river overflows. Due to the excess rain and almost submerge the areas alongside. Number 9. Select the correct match. A. Water, biotic. B. Human being, abiotic. C. Autotrophs and consumers. D. None of these. And the correct answer is D. Water, abiotic components, human beings, biotic components, autotrophs, producers. And the correct answer is D. None of these. Number 10. Refer to the given list of environmental components. Land, fungi, water, air, plant, cow. How many of them are the abiotic components? A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. And the correct answer is B. Abiotic components, land, water and air. Biotic components, fungi, plant and cow. Number 11. Read the given statement. I am present in the air. Plants take me from the air for making food. I release into the air when you breathe out. Who am I? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Hydrogen and D. Oxygen. It is A. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is present in air, is taken up by plants for making food, and it is also released into the air when we breathe out. Number 12. It is a natural disaster caused by heavy rainfall which causes loose rocks and soil on the mountains to come crashing down. Which natural disaster is it? A. Landslide, drought, C. Cyclone and D. Volcanic eruption. It's A. It's landslide. 13. Which among the following is the most earthquake-prone zone of India? A. Bhubaneswar, B. Kashmir, C. Mumbai, D. Kolkata. And the correct answer is B. Kashmir is the most earthquake-prone zone of India. Mumbai, Kolkata and Bhubaneswar are classified under moderate damage risk zone. Number 14. Select the correct statement. A. Cyclones are frequent in coastal areas of India. B. Richter scale helps to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. C. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Popa in Myanmar are active volcanoes. D. Hot molten rocks present inside the earth is called magma. And the correct answer is C. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa is a dormant volcano and Mount Popa in Myanmar is an extinct volcano. Number 15. Poaching refers to A. Non-biodegradable waste, B. Illegal hunting of animals, C. Using eco-friendly sources of energy, D. Reducing in usage of plastic. And the correct answer is B. Poaching in illegal hunting of animals. Number 16. Which of the following are a waterborne diseases? A. Cholera, B. Dysentery, C. Typhoid, D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. 17. X is a greenhouse gas used in refrigerators. It affects the layer in the atmosphere which protects the earth from the harmful UV rays. What is X? A. CFCs, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. And the correct answer is A. Oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen are not greenhouse gases, while CFC is a greenhouse gas and it causes hole in the ozone layer. 18. In which of the following spheres do living organisms exist? A. Lithosphere, B. Hydrosphere, C. Biosphere, D. Atmosphere. And the correct answer is C. Biosphere includes those parts of the earth where life exists. Number 19. Select the correct statement. A. Water vapor present in air helps in the formation of clouds. B. Oxygen is important for our survival. C. River is a source of fresh water and lake is the source of salty water. D. Core is the innermost layer of the earth. And the correct answer is C. Both river and lake are sources of fresh water. Number 20. The full form of CNG is A. Compressed natural gas, B. Compressed neutral gas, C. Chloro natural gas, D. Chloro neutral gas. And the correct answer is A. Compressed natural gas. Number 21. Match the columns and select the correct options, column 1 and column 2. A. Air pollution, 1. Asthma, B. Water pollution, 2. Decrease soil fertility, C. Soil pollution, 3. Deafness, D. Noise pollution, 4. Typhoid. And the correct answer is D. A. 1. Asthma, B. Water pollution, typhoid, C. Soil pollution, decrease soil fertility, D. Noise pollution, deafness. Number 22. Read the given statement and select the options that correctly identifies them as true and false ones. 1. Volcanic eruption and forest fire causes air pollution. Firecrackers cause both air and noise pollution. Sound louder than 20 decibels and less than 95 decibels is considered as soft sound. Gastroenteritis is caused by breathing in polluted air. And the correct answer is C. Softest sound we can hear is of 20 decibels. Prolonged exposure to sounds louder than 85 decibels can lead to hearing problems. Gastroenteritis is caused by drinking polluted water. (23) Read the given statement written on a notice board. Reading precautions to be taken during a natural disaster. If possible, leave the house and go to an open ground. If you cannot go out of the house, lie down under a strong thing like a table and hold on tightly so that it does not slip away. Wait until the shaking stops. Identify the natural disaster. A. Tsunami, B. Earthquake, C. Landslide, D. Drought. And the correct answer is B. It's earthquake. Number 24. Which of the following cannot be found in the given crossword? A. A city which got destroyed by volcanic eruptions of Mount Vesuvius. B. A violent storm in which winds move in a circle. C. It is an opening in the earth's crust through which lava, ash and gases escape. D. It is the molten rock found inside earth. And the correct answer is D. Magma. A is Pompeii, B is cyclone, and C is volcano, and D is magma. Question number 25. Unscramble the given set of letters to obtain the name of the phenomenon that adversely affects the environment. BLGOAL, GAIWRNM. Select the correct statement regarding this phenomenon. A. It increases as the deforestation decreases. It had resulted in melting of polar ice caps. Its effect decreases as the amount of greenhouse gases increases. D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is D. It's both A and B. On unscrambling the given set of letters, we get global warming. Its effect increases as the amount of greenhouse gases increases in the atmosphere. So children, we have come to an end of chapter 2. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.